Here comes the gains. Here comes the pain. Since 2000 stocks, and just like I predicted it to you guys, and I don't use the stock market or charts to tell you what's going to happen. I just have my ear on the streets, and I look around and see that we're building so much. There's so much inflation, and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to assets. Okay, real estate on sell, invested in. First in 2015, 16, I started getting into gold because I learned my lesson in 2006 because I saw that. So I said, okay, next time when the market is hot, guns today is $1,300, guys. So one of the assets that I invested in 2000, guys, not financial advice, just letting you know what I'm doing. In matter of days, like a clone almost. Okay. And I think this is the very, very beginning. In the next bull run, I see the price being selling at 3,500. If you're interested in getting in real estate investing, you want to buy rental houses, you want to do fix and flips, you may want to do wholesaling, you want to do landlording, it doesn't matter. And 2019 is the best year, in my opinion, in 2015 and 2014, so on. Now the market is not high. It's going to be crumbling. It's going to be crashing. There's going to be blood in the street. For me, that's the best. And I televise it to you guys. So if you're interested in getting real estate, getting houses under finance the seller, because you're where you don't have to use all your cash, where you don't have to use your credit, I can help you do that because I want to buy these deals in your backyard. I don't care if you're in Florida. I don't care if you're in California. I have students all over America. We meet every Saturday, 1 hour from your computer. Okay. No more driving. If you go to any real estate club in America with me, you're going to pay $20 and buy it. If you don't buy it, and sell it to a strategy. Price is going to go up on the profit sharing. I only have 19 seats available, guys. After the 19 seats are sold out, instead of $83 a month, okay, which is $20 per meeting, I'm going to raise the price up to $119 a month, which is very, very affordable. But I'm getting more and more people joining up, and I want to focus on the cream of my students versus taking a lot of people in. So one way to deter people is to increase the price. So if you want to get in right now, $83 a month. If you want to wait and get in, and what are you going to get in these meetings? You're going to work with me truly. We're going to help you find motivated sellers, how to market to them. I have a proven system called Flipping Wednesdays. You get that. You follow the program. Sellers that want to sell their home at a deep discount. Then the next step is to filter out these sellers so we can get the cream, because we don't want to work with any seller that wants to use a real estate agent or people that are testing the waters. So we use our filtering process. And trust me, guys, $20 an hour. I charge $7.50 an hour. My cleaning lady charges more than $65 an hour. So $20 an hour is nothing. I don't get paid in the $20 an hour. I get paid by buying your deals. I get paid by helping you have success on YouTube channel so you can encourage other people to be their dreams, because we live in this era and time and country ever. If you're in one of these free countries, guys, like America, Canada, etc. So profit sharing, I got 19 seats available right from your computer for $20 a meeting. After that, it's just going to go to about $29 a meeting. Nothing big, but it is a little bit higher, guys. So can't do anything. One other thing, guys, if you reach out to me, my VAs or my virtual assistants are trained heavily by not selling you. So if you reach out, they're going to tell you very nicely that, hey, you have to be able to jump by yourself. You have to be able to make your own decisions. And if you can't make your own decisions, we're not going to sell it to you, because we don't want to take your money. While I know that if you can't make a decision, you're wishy-washy, you got too many questions, you got too many fears, you can never be your dreams. So whenever you're ready to make a decision, Mr. No Fluff, the dojo's your place. If you need a sales rep, then there's so many other places you can go from, so many people that have sales rep that would love to sell you and put you in debt. Okay. I don't want to do that. I want to cash checks with you. So if you have too many questions or if you're not ready to jump in, because we don't have a sales team, you have to be able to go on our website and pull on the trigger yourself. If you can't do that, then if you find a mother right in front of you and they're willing to sell you their home at 50 cents on a dollar, you're not going to be able to pull on the trigger. So that's the whole aspect of you being able to be ready and pull the trigger by yourself, is that once you see an opportunity, you got to be able to be process. And when you find a motivated seller and they're willing to sell you their home for $1,000 only, you'll be too stupid to make a decision. I'm sorry to say that, but that's the truth. And that decisions by very, very slim. Anytime you need someone to help you make a decision, you don't need to do that action because you're not confident in yourself. So I only want to deal with confident people. I only want to deal with people that already know what they want. I want to deal with people that are willing to take action to be their dreams, and they don't need anyone to sell them, to manipulate them, to push them, to pull them, to persuade them, to pull the wool over eye, or any of that kind of crap. Now, if you reach out to me and my VAs will tell you the very first time that we're not going to do sales, if you ask again, they're going to tell you the second time, and the third time they're just going to block you from whatever platform you're doing because they will get fired if I see them selling to you. So there is no sales. If you want to sign up, we're not going to call you and twist your arm. We're not going to, even if you ask us a bunch of questions, we're not even going to answer. We're going to say, what you have is on the website. If you could pull on the trigger yourself, join the board. If you cannot, God bless you. And there's so many other people out there that will help you take your money and even put you in debt. Okay. But if you can't be your dreams by jumping by yourself, you can never seize an opportunity when you front of you from a home seller like, here, take my house. You don't know what to do. You gotta have to ask your cousin, you're gonna have to ask your mama, you gotta ask your wife, you gotta ask so many different people because you can't make a decision. And like Napoleon Hill said, if you cannot make a decision, you can never have success. End the story, dude. That's why we don't have a sales team to tell you, hey, this program is not for you, dude, because I know it works. We're not here to take a bunch of people. We're here to help you cash checks because I want to buy deals in every state in America as long as they're good deals. And I'll teach you how to find what a good deal is, how to negotiate, how to fill out the paperwork. I'll hold your hand till you cash that check until I cash my check, guys. Now, let's go back to the market, guys. There's exciting times is upon us. In this past 4-5 weeks, Dow Jones has lost thousands of points. Okay. Right at Christmas Eve, we had the biggest loss since 1930s. On NBC, CNN, all these guys are not going to tell you the truth. So the whole thing is manipulated for the richest. That's why Amazon, that's why many of Fortune 500 companies don't pay any freaking taxes, where me and you, as they play favorites to the rich, totally normal, and they make laws for the rich. So one of the things about real estate is that most Congress people or they're in the section of passive income versus having a job. That's why you see all these tax benefits for people that own real estate versus someone that has a job. When you have a job, as soon as you get your paycheck, boom. But if you own real estate, you can get so many different deductions and appreciations just by owning real estate. You're not getting any kind of benefits, subsidization. What you're getting is a penalty called inflation, which means that you lose your purchasing power year after year. The Fed claims it's about 2 or 3%, but that's bullshit. It's 10% or more easily. An average middle home sold for $24,000 in 2019. The same average middle home sells for, guess what, $240,000, guys. 10 years ago, one bedroom apartment in the area that I live in rent for